In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a desktop shortcut of new Microsoft Teams. If you use Microsoft Teams often, having a desktop shortcut can make launching it much quicker and more convenient. Instead of searching for the app every time through the Start menu or taskbar, you can open it directly from your desktop with a single click. I'll walk you through the process in a simple and easy way so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams app. This helps confirm that you're working with the correct version of Teams, especially if your computer has had multiple versions installed before. Once the app is open, you can leave it there and move on to the next step. Now press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box, which is a quick Windows tool for accessing folders, apps, and system locations. If you've never used it before, don't worry, it's completely normal. And this is one of the fastest ways to get where we need to go. In the Run box, type shell apps folder and then press enter. This command opens a special folder in Windows that contains your installed apps. It's especially useful for creating shortcuts to apps that don't always make the process obvious through regular menus. Once that folder opens, look through the list and locate Microsoft Teams. Depending on how your apps are sorted, you may need to scroll a little to find it. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct Teams app. When you find Microsoft Teams, right-click on it and choose Create Shortcut. At this point, Windows will likely let you know that it can't create the shortcut in that folder and will ask whether you want the shortcut placed on the desktop instead. This is expected behavior, so there's no need to worry. Go ahead and click Yes. Windows will then automatically create the Microsoft Teams shortcut on your desktop for you, and that's it. You should now see a new Microsoft Teams shortcut right on your desktop, ready to use whenever you need it. This is a small change, but it can save time and make daily access much easier, especially if Teams is part of your regular workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.